Hey, I'm Justin Grubb, and I'm standing inside the lobby in the new aquarium here at the Toledo Zoo, and with me is Rick Payev. And it's been a couple months since our last construction video, and a lot has changed, hasn't it?
Oh, it sure has. Yeah, we're here in the lobby of the aquarium. Visitors will enter the building in this area, and the first tank that they will come to is the shark ray turtle tank, which is to my left here. And then we also have the Amazon River community tank behind me. And these are the second and third largest tanks in the aquarium. The aspects of the project that have changed since the last time that we did this is that obviously the tanks are constructed. The acrylic panels are in. Tanks have been filled with water to check for leaks. We just did that about 2 weeks ago. We did discover a few small leaks. Those were repaired on Monday of this week, and they're actually being refilled as we speak. So that was a huge milestone for us. Once we have determined that the leaks have been fixed, we will drain them, and then we will install all the exhibitry components of the tanks, all the artificial rock work, skimmers, piping inside the tanks. While we were testing for leaks, there is a tremendous amount of work going on in the basement of the building, getting all the filtration equipment set and ready to run. Tremendous amount of work. There's over a dozen individual water type systems in the basement that support all the exhibits here on the first floor. So again, we're probably around 70 to 75% complete with the life support systems. But one thing that we are really on target for is the turnover of the quarantine systems. The quarantine systems are key to the project. The quarantine systems have to be done prior to the exhibits being done, because we need to get fish in right now. Yeah. In June, there's going to be some fish arriving, and the quarantine systems will be up and running for that process. There's 4 quarantine processes that will happen prior to the opening in March of next year. You know, we talked a lot about the interior of the building, but the exterior of the building also has come a long ways as well. We have finished all the masonry and brick restoration, tuck pointing on the building, and we have even started pavers. Pavers are the surface material that people will be walking on as they traverse the zoo. So we have the ability here to get pavers done from the Penguin exhibit all the way to Broadway, and that is our goal, to turn both of these exterior components of these 2 projects together at the same time for the opening of Penguins. Part of the restoration of the exterior of the building was window restoration. We have a local architect here who donated, the family business donated the restoration of the windows, which was a considerable job. The window restoration company is located in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and Justin and I actually went up to Kalamazoo, and we worked on the windows, scraping paint, reglazing the windows and so forth. And some of those windows have returned to the building. There are several windows that are still up there being restored, but quite a project and labor intensive, but it's well worth it. We restored the windows and saved some of the history of the zoo and the aquarium.
Thank you so much for talking to us. It seems like there's a lot going on here in the aquarium. And while you're waiting for the aquarium to open in 2015, remember we have plenty of other exhibits here at the Toledo Zoo opening up this summer. We've got Penguin Beach, Flamingo Key, and Keat Retreat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you at the Toledo Zoo.